What's going on, guys? Authentic J's back again with another video, and we are customizing a bucket hat. I know usually we customize sneakers around here, but the weather's getting warmer and I wanted to create something for the summer. I'm making a Bape X NBA Sixers custom bucket hat. Now feel free to do whatever city or team that you want to do, but I chose the Sixers because I want to rep my city. Now I got this hat from Zara only because the blue was perfect for my custom, but feel free to get a bucket hat from wherever. Also, I got these iron-on patches from eBay. I mean, I'm sure you can find some from Etsy or whatever, but I just got a simple Bape logo patch and an NBA patch. Now crank up that iron to the highest setting. Mine was on linen, and just leave it on there for a couple seconds, you know. Make sure all the edges are sealed. If you saw that white sheet in the beginning of this video, that was actually the iron-on vinyl from Cricut. Cut out the stars and I just applied the same amount of heat and time onto the top of this hat. Now what I'm doing here is a trick that I shared with you guys on my previous video. Instead of going straight from blue to white, I put in a darker layer like gray, and then I gradually get lighter and lighter into the white. It's gonna save us a lot of paint and layers. Another tip, what I did here was I marked each panel or camo print to the color that I was going to paint, so I didn't have to keep referencing back over and over again. Now this is the easiest part of this custom. There's no way you can mess this up. There's so many different variations of the Bape face, so feel free to just throw some globs on there like I did, and then top it off with a small line for his nose. Then I sealed everything up with the Angelus matte finisher. After that, you're good to go. And that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.